how to sell beauty and personal care products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So the first thing I'm going to do is explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. So as you can see in here, there are a lot of products in this platform, and there are a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. So for example, let's check one of these products pages, like this one. For example, I like this picture, it's very creative. So I'm just checking these products just to show you an idea of what you're going to learn in today's video. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shop page for your own products, exactly like this one, how to add the pictures of your product, how to add as many pictures as you have or videos if you have one, how to set the price of the product, how to add the options if you have any, how to set the product details and the product description as well, and how to set the shipping and return policies. So guys, let's go back to the first page, which is this one. Go to the shop manager button in your top right. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop, and here we have 6 steps to go through in order to set our Etsy shop. And the first step is the shop preferences. Then comes naming your shop. Then you stock your shop. Then you choose how you get paid. Then you set up the billing or the payment processors. Then you end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. So here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So let's change the currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is choosing a name for the shop. So let's remove this name and let's give it this name. Remove spaces between words and remove the special characters as well, like this. And here let's just add this, and that's it. As you can see, the name is available. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stocking your shop. And in this step, you will add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So before we proceed to add the photos and details about our product, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields that you need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. And here, as you can see, we have 4 required fields. We have photos. As you can see, add as many as you can. You will need to upload at least 1 photo. Then we have the inventory. You will need to enter the price of your product. Then comes the listing details, and here you will need to fill all of these red fields. Then comes the shipping, and here the same thing with like the listing details. You will need to turn all of these red fields white by filling them with the right information. So let's start from the first step, which is photos. So here, add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here in the listing details, you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with the title. Enter a good title for your product. Then you answer these 3 questions. Who made it? We have 3 options to go through. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. It's good. I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? We have 3 categories to choose from: not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. Then we have the category. So here, let's enter the name of the product. And here we'll have a lot of categories to choose from. So let's just remove this personal care. And here, let's search for some personal care products or some beauty products. Let's choose the first or the third category. Then you will have some additional details to fill, like the primary color of the product. You can choose one of these colors. Let's go with green. Then we have the secondary color. Let's go with yellow. Then we have the volume. You can choose a unit in here. Then you have the renewal options. If you want to choose the automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents each time, or you want to choose the manual, which is free, and that's what I like, the manual. Then you have the type of the product, if it's a physical product or a digital product. For me, it's a physical product. Then you have the description. So here, in order to enter a good description for your product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners. If you have any, you can add them in here. Then you enter the price of the product in here. Then you fill the information about shipping, as I said in the beginning. Like for the processing time, let's say 5 to 7 days, and do the same with the other information. Then you have the returns and exchanges policy. You can apply the 30 days one, or you can choose another policy if you didn't like this one. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.